A true blend of the classic craftsman design, along with well-appointed updates of today's modern comforts. This home's natural trim and woodwork is incredible. Preserved with all the traditional cottage-style finishes, but remodeled throughout with new hardwood flooring, all-new kitchen with Viking appliances, quartz countertops, custom cabinets, and tile backsplash. Roof on the back of the home was dormered to expand second-floor living space. All bathrooms have been updated, including the master bathroom with soaking tub and large tiled shower. Outdoor space, great for entertaining on the spacious front covered porch, the large back deck with multiple levels. Most furniture/furnishings included. Property is a block from downtown and within walking distance to Lake Michigan beaches. Updates include new furnace 2021, newer hardwood flooring, newer plumbing,